I'm giving thought to leaving the Order. The Republic is sliding deeper into chaos.
You wish to learn the secrets of the dark side?
I confess that I do. Because I suspect that Naboo was only the beginning. A kind of opening salvo. The Sith want to see the Republic brought down. Much as you and I do.
But to ally with the Sith?
For many, they are the embodiment of pure evil. But the Council knows differently. What separates a Sith from a Jedi is the way each approaches the Force. The Jedi Order has placed limits on itself, but the Sith have never shied from incorporating the power of the dark side to accomplish their goals.
You allowed Maul to kill him.
All in service of our greater goals.
I have done everything you asked.
And I will ask more of you if we are to succeed.
Cypher Diaz, Camino, the clones. I have betrayed everyone and everything I know.
You have been loyal to a greater cause.
We carry the dark side within ourselves. Half of life, dark to balance light, waits inside you like an orphan, waiting to be welcomed home. We all desire, we all fear, we are all beset. A Jedi learns to suppress these things, to ignore these things, to pretend they don't exist, or if they do, they apply to someone else, not us. Not the pure, not the protector. To know the dark side is merely to stop lying. Stop pretending you don't want what you want. Stop pretending you don't fear what you fear.
The universe is large and cold and very dark. That is the truth. What I love, taken from me, will be late or soon. And no power is there, dark or light, that can save me.
So be angry about that.